Hello, beautiful queens. Hello, I am back, your ladies back. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to do a full detailed eyeshadow makeup tutorial, and we are going to show how to apply also the foundation from Peps. So first of all, I'm putting concealer on my eyelids. So you can blend after you put concealer. Blend.
You can put concealer. Blend.
Yes, you can use a fluffy brush or your finger to blend. So to blend, you don't need to drag the concealer. Just tap it in. Immediately after blending your concealer, set it with the setting powder. So when putting the lip liner, you just need to lightly swipe it lightly. Do not use too much force so that the concealer will not be removed. So to set the concealer, I am using the to set the lip liner, to set the lip liner, I am using the eyeshadow, orange eyeshadow. So when you put something that is not much, you always need to set it because it's wet, it's not dry. So I'm setting it in place. So I am just tapping that eyeshadow. I am not swiping it, I am tapping it in. Do not forget to blend. So to blend, I will just use a lighter shade as a transitioning shade. And then I will just swipe the shimmery white shade again. So to blend the shade, you just take the orange eyeshadow again, then you swipe it to blend, to remove that harsh line of the shimmery. You need to blend it. So I'm just using the same brush that I have used for the orange eyeshadow, and then I'm putting the liner. So each time you put the liner, do not forget to set it with the eyeshadow.
like the video. And like the video delete.